What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Loom network, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at 25 cents, and it has gone through a major increase in value over the last couple of weeks, as you guys can see here, consistently gaining value. Yes, it did have its odd red day here and there in between, but overall it has been performing absolutely crazy over the last month or so, and right now trading at 25 cents. It is more or less on its way to the dollar mark. I'm not saying it's going to hit that anytime soon, but the way it's been going up in value over the last few weeks has been absolutely crazy, and it does have the potential to hit the dollar mark over the coming weeks and months as well. So that's what we're going to be looking at in today's video, and also focusing on, is this a crypto worth investing into right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you keep holding it before it pumps up even higher over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and so on? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down 0.5% in the last 24 hours. However, that of course does not apply to Loom network, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it has managed to gain over 3% in value, which is absolutely crazy, especially within an hour. Over the last day, 34%, over the week, 62%, and over the month, the huge 500% up in the last month itself. It all started off about 4 to 5 cents in target and has literally gone 5 times its value over the last just over 3 weeks, guys. Again, those of you guys who did invest into it a couple of weeks back, you're probably on a major profit right now, depending on how much you've invested. But again, is it too late to invest, or should you still get into it, is what we'll be focusing later on in the video. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 120%, making it $340 million in trading. Again, there's a lot more people trading the crypto right now compared to a month ago, as it has been more or less constantly gaining value, and it's still going. So we're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, a lot of short-term traders as well, literally buying, selling, making profit. However, there is a risk to this crypto, which we'll be going through shortly. So before I go any further, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we've also got the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Loom network, which is here in purple at 15 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at 25 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But again, I want you guys to give me your predictions on this crypto before I give you guys mine. Let me know what is the highest figure this crypto can hit, or what is the lowest. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as usual, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, that is not realistic. Again, only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards midday tomorrow approximately, I am expecting Loom network to have dropped back down in value, down to about 22 to 23 cents. So nothing major. It's not going to be a major crash or a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, and that also does not mean that Loom network is going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to head up to 26, 27 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to around 23 to 24 cents in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, exact same. The blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning it's not realistic. However, in this case, I am expecting Loom Network to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value. So let's say by mid next week, Loom Network should be trading near about the 30 cents target. Again, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. We are likely to see the odd red day here and there, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So Loom Network should be more or less trading around the 30 cents target towards mid of next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks still looking very bullish, very steep, heading towards a bullish direction. Again, I don't blame it, only because as you guys can clearly see, it's gone for a major increase in value. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid December 2023, I am expecting Loom Network to have gone through an overall increase in value, potentially heading to around the 50 cents target is what I'm expecting from Loom Network in December. However, the way it's going, if it carries on going at this pace, it could easily hit the dollar mark, but I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting it to crash a little bit in between before it gains value to around the 50 cents target in December. So guys, investing into it right now is still risky, don't get me wrong. Even though I'm saying it's going to increase in value, it is likely to have a crash in between. Only reason is gained so much value, so it's potentially overvalued right now, so it is likely to take a little bit of a step back in between, potentially crashing back down to around the 10 cents target potentially over the next couple of weeks. But again, if you guys believe in the crypto and you are in this crypto, and you are in crypto for the long term, then yes, it may you may be able to make profit over the long run. However, if you are a short-term trader, it would be a risky investment right now. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Loom Network, guys. Getting out the Fibonacci scale, we are literally in the top tier level. A couple of weeks ago, we were literally at the bottom here in the red candle, in the red zone here, broke out the green zone, broke out the dark green zone, broke out from the blue zone as well, and literally in the black zone here at the top within a space of about 2 weeks, guys. That is one of the main reasons why I'm also expecting it to crash back down in value, because it's literally been breaking out all the resistance target with no resistance. As you guys can see, it's been literally just flying through, guys. So yeah, it is likely to drop back down in value quite soon. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Loom Network, guys. If you guys want regular updates or even daily updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on Loom Network. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.